Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a distribution list to email all of your members or friends at once. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. The first step is to open any type of browser, and the second step is to go to AOL Mail. The third step is to log into your account, and the fourth step is to click on Contacts. After you go to Contacts, you can see some of your contacts over here. Now to create a distribution list, what you need to do is click on Lists over here, and you can see some of the lists or distribution lists over here. So you can go over here on the list, click on it, and you can see the group email, or else you can just go ahead and click Create List. Now what you need to do is just go ahead and name this the distribution list. What you need to do is write down your contact's name over here. So go ahead and select your Google account. After you add this, go ahead and click Save. You can see the distribution list has been created. Now go ahead and click Email this list. You can see that this distribution list has been created, and whatever mail you decide to send, it will be sent to all of them. So let's go ahead and add the subject. Now go ahead and write down what you want or attach the file of your choice. After you do this, you can write some descriptions over here and then click Send. And you can see that you have sent the message through the distribution list, and you won't have to send it individually to your friends or members. I hope this video about how you can create a distribution list on AOL Mail was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.